Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my channel Muhammad Hafiz Al-Fadil. Now I will tell you or make video tutorial how to make tiny bit remote control. Wait. Okay, before that, before that, the first thing, go to boom repository. Okay, here and click this. Wait. Oh, if cannot, go to this and faster. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. We go to this. The name is Yahoo repository. After that, go to playing with tiny bit and wait and just if tracking like this. Okay, and copy this. Copy this. Okay, after that, uh, it. Okay, after that, go to the here and go to extension and click this. Okay, and then there is like this. After that, waiting and go to extension again and search Bluetooth. Okay, because we need Bluetooth in this project. Wait. Okay, if done, we can start with on start. Okay, go to Bluetooth and Bluetooth word. Where is a Bluetooth word? Wait, go to more. This. Go to here and forever just delete and go to basic and show icon love like this, or you can choose the other or like this. Okay, after that go to Bluetooth again and Bluetooth, and if Bluetooth connect and if Bluetooth disconnect, show icon smile or like this and like this. Okay, and then go to this and take Bluetooth on data retrieve, and then after that uh, go to variable first and make a variable. The name is string. Okay, retrieve retrieve string. Okay, you can name the variable like this and take set retrieve string in here and go to Bluetooth and go to and take this and put in here. Okay, so become like this, and then go to logic and take if true then. Okay, and wait, yes, and go to logic and take this. Okay, and go to variable and retrieve string and go to and you uh, type up like this and then go to tiny bit. There is like this, and take this, and you can duplicate, 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 and duplicate until 5. Okay, until 5. If until 5, this is name is stop. This is stop. This is right, and this is left, and this is down. Okay, because later we will make like this. Wait. Okay, after you done make like this, if you done make like this, uh you go to if again, go to logic and tick tag if and true. After that, go to chart. Yes, this, and put in here first, and then and wait. Oh yes, and this take like this and put in here, and go to logic and take this two, take this again and put in here again, and chart from this, and this change x. Okay, and then search for right pin, go to advanced, and there is pin, and search for right pin like this, and you take and put in here. After you put the servo right pin, go to here and parse to number. Okay, and put in here. Okay, parse to number, and search again subs substring of this blah blah blah, and put in here, and then wait, no, in here. This is one of range of three. Okay, then this is P2. You can duplicate first. Okay, wait. So you guys go to cardboard, Luffy robot, and go to apps, and there is make robot control app, then one wait, and like this. Yeah, if you want to make like this, you can look in here too. Okay, like this, but I changed about the servo right pin become control run like this. Okay, we check. Okay, chart from at blah 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 at 0. Okay, oh yes, and you duplicate pre-chef string and put in here, and duplicate again and put in here again. Okay, after that you you must you should be have like this robot tiny bit like this, and you put in here, wait, put in here like this. Okay, after that you can okay, and download. Waiting because this waiting for the download. Wait, maybe so long. Okay, half. Oh, yes, and then in here you can this there is a text and work like this. Open the app and you can click until like this. Okay, okay, it's done. We download again. Wait. Okay, done like this. Like this done. Okay, go to Fluffy Robot like this and wait. Oh yes, I forgot. You go to setting and project setting and go to repairing required. Anyone can connect via Bluetooth. Okay, and you can download again. Download like this. Okay, and you go to this waiting. Yes, and you can wait, waiting. Download again with this same one with I will. Okay, so I use this. Still scanning. Okay, this is the still scanning. Wait. Okay, now I will turn on the robot. Okay, there is the name. The name of the robot is Footed. We will try. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is right and this is left and this is down, backward, and this is forward. Okay, look. Okay, maybe done. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.